Hello everyone, this is Elias from Owiwi, and in today's explainer video, I want to walk you through the latest version of our soft skill assessment tool to show you how it works. Assuming that you've been invited to participate in the assessment, you will first need to register on our platform, and once that is complete, log into your dashboard using the credentials you signed up with. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the screen here, which essentially provides you with additional information and instructions on how to participate in the assessment. We advise that you go through these instructions carefully before proceeding to complete the assessment, as you will not be able to go back. Once you are ready, you can click on the button labeled Take the Test, and the assessment begins like so. For this particular video, we will only be assessing one skill, specifically accountability. As you will see, there is a question that you need to resolve at the very top, and underneath it are 4 possible responses. Unlike our flagship product, which is reminiscent of a game, this latest version of our tool follows a more traditional approach and is better suited for more conservative industries or cultures and/or senior level management. With that being said, however, the response mechanism remains exactly the same. Specifically, we request 2 responses for each question. You will need to indicate which response you feel is the best choice to resolve the question, as well as which choice is the worst. Simply click on the radio button to indicate your responses and click on Submit Answer to proceed to the next question, like so. Each skill contains 4 questions, and upon reaching the end of the assessment, you will be informed that the process is now complete, and you will now view your results by clicking on View Results. This will redirect you to the central dashboard, where you can take a deeper look into your results. This marks the end of this explainer video. I hope you found it helpful, and of course, if you have any other questions or difficulties, feel free to reach out to us at info@owiwi.co.uk, and we will be happy to help. Thank you and have a nice day.